Yeah, that's
Well, can I? My address, right?
Okay, boy.
I think we emailed it for me.
check both please and see if anybody's.
10-4. 81, can you just tell me on a car stop on 88th Street and 4th Avenue? A little further.
Yeah. Bad address. Yeah, it's a bad address. It's a child calling.
Anyone call 911 over here?
Yeah, so something's happening downstairs.
Huh?
Something's happening downstairs. Mentally ill.
Downstairs?
Yeah, I think it's type this one.
Oh yeah?
With the door unlocked by someone. Something's happening downstairs.
How do we get downstairs? How do we get downstairs?
Over here.
Yeah, there's another door down there. Like,
There's a kid saying that is mentally ill.
Where?
Downstairs.
Down there?
Yeah.
How
The
do you
kid's right here. The kid's right here.
Oh.
Come outside.
Hey, David.
And he's saying,
Come outside.
Is there anybody? You have keys or anything?
no.
Did you call 911?
No, I didn't.
Did you call 911?
Yeah, someone downstairs did.
Who's down?
Yeah, cool.
is it that door or is it downstairs?
How do we?
Downstairs.
Do you know who lives down there?
There's a door downstairs. I think it's a leaker. It's a high will be able to.
Wait, I got it.
Check this door.
Come from up there or down here?
It's connected?
Yeah, it's good. It
Is this your family?
Yeah, it goes straight downstairs.
Where is it?
Thanks.
No.
Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Drop it down! Drop it down! Drop it down! Good night! Don't drop the fucking knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop the fucking knife, buddy! Drop the knife! Go ahead and grab cup. Guys, why'd you pull on